So uh, draw a circle. Now draw a line, another line down here. This is the jaw, and now line here, line here. Now use the special tool, this one over here, and select the liquify pen, this one. So I'm just gonna change the shape. Okay, now select the eraser. Now erase erase these lines. Okay. That looks good enough. Now select the brush. Now add another layer. So we're gonna draw the neck on this layer. Why? Because I don't know, I guess I just like to draw on another layer so I can change it, so I can easily change it. Okay. Select the special tool, the liquify pen. So I'm just gonna fix this a bit. Yeah, it looks good enough. Yeah, it looks good enough. Okay, now another layer. So we're gonna draw the eyes and the nose and ears on this third layer. If you want, you can draw on the eyes and nose on different layers, but I draw the eyes and nose and ears, lips, on the same layer. And then on the fourth layer I draw the hair. So for the hair I draw on a completely different layer. So for the eyes, I'm gonna draw the eyes first. Okay, so now make this thicker. So these are the eyelashes, I guess. So this is how I draw faces. You can draw faces completely different, but this is how I draw them. So, and now this, if you want. Now the eyeball. This looks good enough. Now select the lasso tool. This over here, the lasso tool. It's over here. Yeah, I can't show you. Okay. So I'm just gonna copy and paste. Now tap over here to copy. So I'm just gonna copy and paste the eye because I can't draw it identical. So I'm just gonna save the trouble and copy and paste. Now remove the selection from the lasso tool, so here, so just press here to remove the selection, because if you don't remove this, you can't you can only draw in this circle and erase, so you can't erase and draw out of this circle. So you want to remove the lasso tool. So over here, okay. So now we are on a different layer, the fourth layer, because when we copy and paste, it adds a new layer. So we're just gonna flip. So over here, flip layer horizontal. I can't pronounce it, I'm sorry. So just tap over here to flip it. Now so the lasso tool. Okay. Oops. So I messed up. So you can just press over here to undo your mistake. Over here at the bottom. Okay. So now just select the special tool and then the liquify pen. So I'm just gonna change this eye a bit because eyes aren't supposed to be identical, because if they are identical, it looks a bit weird. So usually this eye is a lot bigger than the right eye. That looks good enough. Now the pen, the brush, yeah, select the brush. For the nose, you just want to draw a circle. And now draw this. So draw these lines. It's okay if you can't draw them perfectly, because you can use the special tool. So select the liquify pen, special tool, and now you just want to use the liquify pen to move the lines to your liking. It looks good enough. Now the ears. So for the ears, just draw a line. Now draw something. It doesn't matter. You can just like this. Doesn't matter really. So I'm just gonna like that. Now select the special tool, the liquify pen, because they should be a bit smaller than this. So you can copy and paste the ear, but I don't. Just okay, just draw it. Now the special tool. I use the special tool a lot when I do digital art. So for the ears, now you can draw another line over here. Oh wait, so I'm just gonna undo. Okay, so if you forgot, the undo button is over here and the redo button is over here at the bottom. Okay. And now for the lips, draw something like that. Now that. Just gonna remove that. Yeah, I'm just gonna remove this. And now draw another line over here. Ta-da, we're done. Now you can use the lasso tool to fix the proportion, the size. So there are multiple ways to draw faces. So you can combine these two layers. These two layers, you can combine them together by pressing over here. Merge layer down. Ta-da! Okay. Now for the hair, add another layer. So the hair is a bit difficult when you draw hair at first. It's really difficult. For me, it was at least, but then I got used to it. So for the hair, I just draw something like that. Okay, too many lines. So I'm just gonna undo all of it. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by this. So the hair is coming from here. So I'm just gonna, draw like that. Yeah, too big. Okay, now for the top. So you can use the liquify pen to fix the proportion if you want, the size. So you can, yeah, use the liquify pen. The liquify pen. Oops, yeah, I messed up here. So I'm gonna use the liquify pen to fix it a bit. See, as you can see, it's okay. I'm gonna use the liquify pen to fix the proportion. Okay, so it's done. Yeah, that's how you draw faces, and if you want, you can add some hair over here on the neck. That's how you draw hair. So I'm just gonna fix this a bit. And now so my line art is my sketch. So I'm just gonna clean up the sketch. So I'm on layer 1. So this is layer 1, the head. See? Now select the eraser, and now you just want to erase the, these lines over here. Okay, now this layer, the 4D layer. So I'm just gonna erase the eyebrow over here. Oh, oops. Okay, this layer over here. Just gonna make the eraser a bit smaller. Okay, go to layer 4. So I forgot to add hair over here. So I'm just gonna add hair. Ta-da! That's how you draw. Oh yeah, you can erase this because it looks weird. Okay, so you want to add light color over here. So I'm just gonna make this a bit lighter. Like that. That looks good. Now for the leg muscles. So I'm just gonna select the Liquify pen. Yeah, the Liquify pen. So that's how you draw a face. So I'm just gonna merge all the layers together. So that's how you draw line art with sketch. Yeah, that's how you draw it. So yeah,